All right, let's take a quick look at this. Let's run it through its paces. Let's cut up a little bit. And let's just kind of see what it does, how it sounds when it's cutting into. This is 4x6 seater. It's not, I mean, it's pretty dry, but sometimes this type of sawdust kind of messes with the saws a little bit. So I'm not gonna fault it too much. If it binds, I'm not gonna push it like I'm trying to make it fail. I'm just gonna run it like if I was running it at a job site, and I'm gonna be doing it one-handed. So let's just run a couple lines, and it is all the way down. The blade is full depth. Let's just run it and see what it does. First pass. I hope it's not too loud. You can see the dust extraction. Hopefully I can get you a good little view here. Let's do some cross cuts. Not bad. The depth of cut, it's pretty good. I want to try to avoid a couple nails that I know I got a screw on the other side. Let's bevel this. Run a bevel cut on there. Excuse me, guys. I'm doing it one-handed. So let's do a bevel cut. We're already at max bevel, so we'll see what it is. Not bad. I like it smooth, very smooth. Let me see if I can get you. Do another one. I like that. I like it. It's smooth. Very smooth. Very smooth. Be making more videos on this pretty soon, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a little preview of some of the cutting with the Rear Handel Metabo 36 multi-bolt. All right, you guys have a good one.